And news now on the sacked Aam Aadmi Party Minister Sandeep Kumar. Well, he has been produced in the 30 Hazari court, and he has also continuing to claim that he's innocent and that he's being falsely implicated, something that his wife has also said about the entire controversy.
क्या कुछ कहेंगे इस पूरी घटना के बारे में? आप पे आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं तमाम।
तो सब सामने आ जाएगा आप लोगों के।
नहीं, सब तो सामने आएगा, लेकिन महिला कह रही है कि आपने उसके साथ ये सब किया है।
वो आप देख लिए।
नहीं, लेकिन महिला कह रही है कि आप सीडी में थे, कि सीडी में आप हैं क्या?
आपको जांच में पता चल जाएगा।
नहीं, जांच तो हो रही है, लेकिन आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहते हैं अपनी तरफ से? कुछ नहीं कहेंगे आप?
Anindya Banerjee joins us for the very latest. Anindya, just take us through more updates. All that we know is now Sandeep Kumar has been taken to the 30 Hazari court. What next?
Well, he'll be produced very shortly in front of the magistrate, where police will ask for, is expected to ask for further police remand, and which the Delhi police has expected, which the defence will has expected opposed to it. So it is remains to be seen that whether he is given police custody or judicial custody. But as far as the legalities of the case is concerned, there are certain discrepancies that have come to the fore since yesterday. The duty magistrate yesterday itself pointed out to the logic of Delhi police, citing that when there was the victim concerned was picked into this relationship with based of giving a job, but that the FIR talks about different line, saying that she was given a sedative and forced into the sexual act. So those were issues that the judge questioned, raised yesterday, and to which Delhi police didn't have any answer. As of now, he will be produced very shortly before the duty magistrate, post which will be very shortly we'll get to know that whether he led to police custody or judicial custody.
Okay, just stay with me. We'll just also listen in to Sandeep Kumar and what he has to say in his defense. He, of course, is crying conspiracy, saying that he's innocent and is being framed. But this is what he had to say to the reporters as he was being taken to the 30 Hazari court.
क्या कुछ कहेंगे इस पूरी घटना के बारे में? आप पे आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं तमाम।
तो सब सामने आ जाएगा आप लोगों के।
नहीं, सब तो सामने आएगा, लेकिन महिला कह रही है कि आपने उसके साथ ये सब किया है।
वो आप देख लिए।
नहीं, लेकिन महिला कह रही है कि आप सीडी में थे, कि सीडी में आप हैं क्या?
आपको जांच में पता चल जाएगा।
नहीं, जांच तो हो रही है, लेकिन आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहते हैं अपनी तरफ से? कुछ नहीं कहेंगे आप?